Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to jack up secure the tire changed from the rear version of your Mercedes-Benz GLA or A-Class car. The first step every time is pull the handbrake by pushing it. Yeah, that's electronic style. Then, of course, you're going to get wedges on the opposite side of the wheels to support, to secure. And then, of course, you should untighten the bolts first by using a big tool. Only an half rotation is enough for that. Then we go to the front side of the car, and we are searching for the jack up point. The jack up point is seen underneath. As you can see, this is the area where we are going to jack up our car on the front side of the vehicle. It's the same on the other side, of course. There are on the markets, there are specially bolt type additional parts for your car jacker, of course, but you can also make this on a flat surface too. Then we lift up our car until we can reach under the car, under the vehicle. And now we are going to remove the bolts out of the system. After we remove the bolts, we can remove the entire tire of the system. Now, if you like to perform and additionally work underneath the car, you should add a security part underneath, and that should be under a good surface area, like this triangular part of the vehicle, and support it there. But only if you need to work underneath. If we are like to get back a new tire or the old tire which we changed before, we add a little bit of brake liquid or another liquid underneath for preventing against rust. Then we attach the new tire into position. And of course we are hand tighten the bolts. But only hand tighten, that's enough. Not tighten it too much. If you're going to use a tool, use the lower setting. Then get back the car onto the ground, and of course we will need a torque wrench for this. First setting is 80 Newton meter. Do this in a star direction, and then we go up to the second gear. This is 130 Newton meter. After this, the same thread, of course, do this in a star shape of tightening the bolts with the torque wrench. And after this process is done, we are ready to get back on the road. Or, of course, we can continue with the other axle too. Job's done, baby. At the rear side of our vehicle, the car is standing over there. We are ready for jack up the car. That means we support it first. We pull the handbrake and use the wedges on the direct opposite side, of course. And then we see there is the jack up points on the rear side of the vehicle. This is the area where we can jack up the car. Then, of course, we are going to untighten the bolts a little bit. An half rotation is enough for that, of course. But only if you do not use a tool for that. Then, of course, we can pump up the car. We are going to jack up our car by a car jack tool, and until we can enter to our tire system or underneath the car too. Really good, easy peasy. A little bit space for now. The next step is we are removing the bolts using like this tool to unscrew all bolts. And if we unscrew all bolts, we can, of course, remove the tire from the position. Then, of course, to assemble or to install a new one, we are going to liquid a little bit here. We grease the flat surface a little bit and get the new tire into position. If the new tire is in position, of course, we use the bolts to get them hand screwed. After this, use the lowest setting of your tool for that, because that should be not the tighten enough. It's only a little bit. And then if we tighten it, hand tighten the bolts, we can get back the car onto the ground. And if we have it on the ground, we go to the torque wrench and use 80 Newton meter. And then we tighten all bolts with a star and 80 Newton meters. And after this performed, we go to 130 Newton meter and tighten them in the star shape, of course, as well, with 130 Newton meter, and then job's done. Back on the road. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give them a poll to Peter. I hope to see you again on the channel. Dun dun.